Welcome or welcome back. My name is Ash and this is Ashe Reacts. Today we're going to be jumping into more of Chainsaw Man. I have loved the first two episodes of this show. It was so compelling, it made me emotional, it made me laugh. I'm already invested in the characters, so I'm very excited to watch more. If you're ever interested in getting reactions early and unedited, they are all on my Patreon. The link is in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Let's just jump into it. Yes, this is a girl, I don't remember her name, but I love her. And I love her little horns. Oh, she's not supposed to kill people? How's he supposed to do that? It's his first day. Bloodbender. Obviously, we've seen. You better not kill her. I'm attached.
Makima-san, この悪魔嘘つきですぜ。悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間だけだ。
Obviously not.
わしはやれって言われたんじゃ。
I love how she's not interrupting them.
静かにできる？できる。
Everyone's mesmerized by this lady. I forgot her name. I did know it.
バッタとかはどうでもいいかな。
Just don't do it
私は二人の
again.
活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう？
She's mesmerizing. It's something to do with her eyes, I think. Because they always show close-ups of it. Is he just looking at her boobs? Oh, Denji. I just love her. I love how weird she is. Kitty cat. Oh, is she gonna eat the cat? I'm worried. I'm worried about the cat. Please show me the cat.
ジュース飲めるなんてよ。俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ。
I don't know if she's gonna be able to empathize with you. I don't know if she can relate.
だからって嘘つ。
Oh, she might love the cat. Okay, okay. I just watched Bring Her Back. Check out their reaction on the channel. But I just assume everyone's gonna hurt the cat, you know? Good for you.
ニャーコを取り戻す前にわしはマキマに捕まってしまった。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。
Oh, I love her motivations.
うぬには分からん
No,
感情
he
じゃん。
knows, but it was a dog.
俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ。
I'm trying to root for you.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
He would love it. He's not picky, I don't think.
悪魔がよ。猫をよ。さらうなんてよ。
Oh, I love this show.
そん悪魔。俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
Way to go.
絶対仲良くなれねえな。
You don't technically need to get along with her to touch her boobs. This was a deal. Hey, Aki, right?
デンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよ。
He stays hating him. I have to respect it.
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど
Is more
悪魔
powerful?
自身の力も増すという。でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。
The car devil could get me. I'm terrified of
デンジ
driving
君は
and being in the car
ジェ
in
イソン
general.
の悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
It is. You should lead with that.
公安は目標や信念がある者だけしかいない。でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。
Okay, well,
それに
he didn't have a
悪魔と
choice.
仲良くなれると思ってる。
He was friends with one. Like, maybe you should ask about his story.
あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
Let's get him.
てめえが姿見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
What? What are you playing at? Bitch! She played us.
随分と私を待たせたな、血の悪魔
Oh,
よ。
who are we talking to?
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
I love me a bat.
久しぶりの食事。
Oh no.
男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。
Oh, he died a couple days ago. I don't know how much vigor he has. Oh, he's gonna have to go chainsaw. Is Meowy a whole lie then?
人間に刻まれた傷、人間の血で癒させてもらう。
What did the humans do to him? Maybe he's justified.
まずい。
Oh, he's not all the way human.
よく足の話を信用できたもんじゃな。
It's called trying to be nice.
口直しは子供に決めた
Children!
ぞ。
Oh!
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。
Okay, Meowy is real. That's what I was wondering, why she was doing this. He probably ate your cat. Oh, it's right there. How is she supposed to know what he tastes like? No. Not Meowy. The cat didn't do anything wrong. What? Falling in love. Is she just butt-ass naked? Pets are so powerful because they love you no matter what. Like, Denji's dog Pochita loved him no matter how poor he was, you know? And like, this cat loves her no matter how many people she eats and how many things she kills. Oh, he swallowed. I thought maybe we could intervene. Maybe we can cut him out still. I did not see any of this coming. Okay, brush your teeth then. Hide your kids, hide your wives. Oh, go get laid, everyone. He's hitting all the freaking boxes. Chainsaw, chainsaw, chainsaw.
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて。
I want a Pochita plushie so bad.
街中を探しても見つからない。家に帰ると、ポチタは泣きながら俺を待っていた。
My dog's right there.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて。
For real though. He's so empathetic. Yeah, 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 yeah. You couldn't tell by tasting me? I thought you had a refined palate, sir. You know what virgins taste like. Oh, she should have called in sick that day. Which one would be scarier to see, guys? I think the chainsaw, to be honest. Yeah, because this is between us. Yeah. Well, if she's up for it, I support it. Thank you for everyone who voted for this and suggested this, because damn is it a good show. Like, it is such a good combination of creative, but like, if you married Tokyo Ghoul and Jujutsu Kaisen together, like, I love it. And the art is so cool. The characters are very compelling. You guys did not lead me in the wrong way. I love how he can stay in control enough to do that. Oh, he's gonna use them as shields. Yeah, bitch. Oh, we're strong. Sorry about your day, dude. What the fuck? Oh, the sound design is dope. The menacing chainsaw. This is your final warning. I love this riff. Oh, you scared? You scared? You should be. It's so cool. Like, I guess I never really saw Pochita in action or anything, but it's so cool that it seems like in death and with like uniting for his love, like he evolved to be more badass, you know? Hell yeah! Intestines. We cut our friends out. It hasn't been too long. I don't know how acidic his stomach is. Aww. What another great episode. I'm really trying to savor these because I think there's only 12 and I have no idea if there's going to be a new season. maybe a movie I heard about that could be about something different and I'm misremembering, but I love this episode. I loved getting more of a glimpse into Power. I'm such a stan for her. She's so lively and like loving in the right ways and has like a soft spot for cats. I think her and Denji are very similar in ways that they're to come and find out. Saw a little bit of a glimpse into the bureaucracy of this institution and who our unit's boss, I forgot her name, Makima? We'll find out. We'll remember eventually. But who she reports to. We got to see her dynamic with Aki a little bit. I think maybe he'll soften up. I would love for him to because I do love him as a character. I love all of these characters. The only one I'm super worried about is the boss lady with the eyes that they always highlight. I'm ready to dive into the next one. Let's get into it. Well, she doesn't have a soft spot for birds. Girl needs some clothes.
たかが猫じゃん。
But it's your cat.
血は好きじゃん。
I love a vampire-ass bitch. That's why I have a tattoo of a vampire bat. Oh, they're together in the intestines. Hey, you gotta let him cop a feel now. He saved you even after you tried to feed him to a bat. You should ask again first. She's just been through a trauma.
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かった。
He understands.
胸は揉ませてやる。
Will he do it? You should ask her on a date first. Or like maybe wait till she takes a shower. She was just in someone's stomach. Who, what, when, where, why? I'm too stunned to speak. Was it an earthworm? Because I just found out they're invasive to the US, at least where I live. Our forests here in my region are supposed to be spongy ground. We're supposed to have foliage on the ground. It's supposed to be soft. There's supposed to be species of birds who can raise their babies and live on the ground because it's so spongy and has plants everywhere. But we don't because the worms mess it up. Yes, they help gardens. Yes, they help with some decomposition, but not supposed to be this way where we are. So we have very hard grounds in our forests. And someone smarter can explain this in a way that makes more sense and conveys the importance of worm hate. It's a symbol of anti-colonialism to hate worms because the colonizers brought them over when they came over from Europe. It's their fault, as usual. Kill worms when you see them. But be nice about it because they can form memories and they can feel pain. And then also, stop using them for bait and stop dumping your bait on the ground in the forest. That's the end of my PSA.
動けっか。
指も動かせ。
Why not? Why can't you move? Because you were being digested? Why does he lose blood? Is it because it's cutting through him? That would make sense. What? It's got a bunch of teats! Okay, Batty deserved it. First of all, he ate my friends and tried to eat me. Thank you, I guess. Not the time. You ate my arm! What do you mean?
後ろの奴らは
This city's full of people. You can't take one of them? These are my coworkers. And she said I could touch her boob. You took my arm that I was going to touch her boob with. Now I only have one hand to touch a boob and one hand that will never touch a boob. Come on, come on. Where was she hiding? She came out of nowhere. We didn't hear her sneaking up on us.
たかが胸を揉むために。
You falling in love, girl?
こんな戦えるのか。
Your chest, specifically. Beating you up without my chainsaws. It's kind of sticking out, though. Maybe you can cut her up a little bit. Your mom's a joke. Because Batty's a little bitch. People need to stop calling my dude a dog.
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
She has 6 of them you can cop.
バカみたいな理由じゃな。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
To each their own, homie. See all these intestines? I did that. That's your friend Batty.
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってよ。
I'm entitled to my dreams. Murderize. Okay. Aspirations can only take you so far. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He really bounces back. It's admirable. He's not the worst guy to touch a girl's boob. Like, he could be a lot worse. How are we gonna recover? You still can't move, girl? Oh, who is here? I knew it!
Con.
I was like really hoping he'd show up, but I was like, is that kind of dumb? Does he have some shikigamis?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい。
Yeah.
よし。
No, my arm was in there. Was she a leech and not an earthworm? You know what? My rant is still informative, so I'm keeping it in.
お前の腕。
Oh, really? Can we put it back?
輸血したらくっついたらしい。
No shit! Way to go!
おめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。本当に何も知らねえんだな。
No, because you don't tell me nothing.
悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。
Oh, that's what that was.
悪魔は常に人の死を望む。
Okay, not all of them. I had a dog and we were really good.
血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。
No. We were just trying to save her cat. He's not gonna snitch.
娘がチェーンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。
Okay, you can't win them all, alright?
お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら、今回は見逃してやる。
Oh, let's hear it.
俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。
That's fair. We've been on our own for a very long time.
頭に入れといてやら。てめえと同じぐらい。俺、マジでやっから
He does
さ。
not want to lose his meal card, okay? He's been hungry for too long.
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Okay. Maybe you are on our side a little bit. I love like an authority figure who's kind of strict, but also lenient in ways as well, you know? Damn, a man who cooks, a man who cleans. Who could that be? Put the food down. Power?
狭い家じゃの
We moving in?
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。
Slumber party.
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか。
野菜は嫌いじゃ。
It's like living with toddlers.
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせんだよ。
Okay, you reeked till recently.
あ
Oh, I forgot.
胸を揉ませてやる
Our
か。
arm came off and my mind's been elsewhere. Oh, we're closing the door. Girl, you wanted him to feel you up after he cleaned your turds?
じゃが条件がある。
Okay, we already agreed. We
胸
had
を揉んでいい
stipulation.
回数は
Oh,
3
three?
もみ。
Never mind, I'll shut up. I was only thinking about one.
ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Now, are we talking 1, 2, 3? Or 1, 2, 3? That was episode 4 of Chainsaw Man, and I'm telling you, even when there's not so much action in this, and it's just like character building and building out the dynamics for us to see, it's still so entertaining and so fun, and they really balance like this action with humor, and it's just right up my alley. I'm so surprised I haven't seen this before. I haven't watched a show in a long time where I've just, in 4 episodes only, fallen in love with these characters. I find them all so entertaining, and they're also different, because I feel like most of their similarities come in the form of shared histories, like Power and Denji, where they kind of like lived on their own and had this animal companion and now are half human, have something else. Like, but that's just like circumstances. Their personalities are pretty different. I'm very interested to know more of like Aki's backstory and more about our head leader girl. I'm just having a lot of fun, and I'm so ready to watch the rest of them. And if you're ready to watch them with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know when the next video drops. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of these 2 episodes were. If you liked the reaction, please hit the like button. And remember, if you want these reactions early, sometimes very early, and if you want them uncut and unedited, head to the Patreon. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching.